Are you ready to bring the magic of your favorite coffee shop treats right into your own kitchen? If you've ever dreamt of recreating those mouth-watering cakes at home, this is the class for you. Hi, I'm Chef Michelle, and I can't wait to guide you through this sweet baking journey where we will dive into the secrets of making these delightful treats. First up, our lemon pound cake. There's nothing quite like the burst of fresh lemon in a moist, buttery cake. We'll start by creating the perfect batter that bakes up with a tender-like crumb and a vibrant lemon flavor that just can't be matched by those store-bought cakes. Then we'll top it with a rich, smooth, and decadently thick glaze. It's not just a treat, it's an anytime delight. And who can resist a strawberry streusel coffee cake? Infused with homemade strawberry jam, each bite bursts with flavor and freshness. By learning to make these coffee shop cakes at home, you're in for a treat that's better, cheaper, and tastier. Not only do you get to control the quality and freshness of the ingredients, but you also avoid the high costs of store-bought cakes. Plus, there's nothing more satisfying than enjoying a cake you made from scratch. In this class, you'll receive step-by-step guidance, tips, and tricks to ensure your success. Whether you're a novice baker or a seasoned pro, you'll find joy in every moment spent in the kitchen. So why settle for less when you can bake the best? Sign up for my Coffee Shop Cakes class and discover the joy of creating delicious homemade cakes that will impress your friends and family. See you in class.